Hi, I'm Stephanie, aka Dark and Jaded. I've been watching people like Lauren and ex Sparkage Felicia for quite a few months now. Probably like 9 or 10 months, almost a year. But I've been checking out a lot of their and trying a lot of their makeup tutorials and stuff. And I ran across the parody of Lauren, which is actually really funny. Because aside from the high pitched voice, like the way she says her words, you actually got down really well, which shows that you actually watch them. And anyone who actually takes that seriously and really thinks that you're being mean is just really funny. And then I watched this one too, which I thought was really funny, just because um, my boyfriend's Puerto Rican, and so whenever the whole video just made me laugh, and I didn't know it until today. Whenever I looked at your channel that you're from Orlando, and I actually live in St. Pete, which is really cool. But just wanted to throw it out there. But so far all your videos I've seen are either really funny or actually educational. So just want to say thanks and keep up the good work.